In this tutorial, we're going to see how to install Atmirage and its service providers on a machine where we already have our application installed. From the Atmosphere front end, we go to the ATM section, and in this Create button, we have the instructions to create the new ATM, which consist of downloading the installer and running it on the machine where we want to run the application. Once the download is complete, we'll run the ATM installer on the machine where we want to run the application we want to test. Once the installation is complete, Atmirage will be installed inside the C/Serquo/Atmirage ATM folder. If we go back to Atmosphere, we'll see the created ATM appears. We can give it a name to identify it more easily in the future. And from Atmosphere's own interface, with this software update menu, we can install the service providers so it works properly. By clicking the Update button, we'll see that the ATM changes to updating status, and all this software will be downloaded. We'll see the ATM goes back to on status. We're going to launch Atmirage to simulate a model on our virtual ATM. We select the model we're interested in from the model repository, and since it's the first time, Atmirage will tell us we also need to select some preferences. We'll select the preferences from our repository, and from this moment we can use Atmirage. The next step we need to follow is to select an item from the repository for the devices marked with dashed red lines. These devices are marked with dashed red lines to indicate that until something is selected, the service providers won't work correctly as they don't have simulated hardware to emulate. At this point, we can launch our XFS application and work normally to test it.